We make the window of your dream with a lot of love so that the relationship between you and the window stays intact forever. We are Window Expert. Window Expert is renowned name in fenestration and premium windows manufacturing. Established in 2004 with our vast experience in the industry, we have been able to bring best-in-the-class products for you and your home. We are keen on offering the most effective and suitable solutions as per your requirements. For this purpose, we have left no stone unturned. With a wide variety of product range like sliding windows, casement windows, tilt and turn windows, vertical sliding, slide and fold system, parallel windows, heavy-duty patio door and much more, your home is guaranteed to gain most gracious look. Our expertise in both premium aluminium and uPVC windows brings all the fenestration solutions under one roof. This is a distinct advantage as you can compare all the solutions and choose the most relevant system as per your requirement. We believe a top quality material require an equally top-notch machining. Therefore, we manufacture all our windows with German CNC machines. With least human intervention, we can achieve superb finish and perfect joints. CNC cutting machine ensures precise cutting of the window profiles. With the help of routing machine, we achieve flawless drainage and locking slots. The corner cleaning machine for uPVC brings an immaculate look to the frame and panels. We offer both with groove and seamless finishes. Our in-house arch window setup is a great addition in our arsenal. With this setup, we can generate precise arches. Once all the machining and the assembly work is done, all windows are checked for their quality. This ensures that we deliver only the best quality windows for your beautiful home. With the capacity of 150 windows per day and the huge 40,000 square feet built-up production facility, we guarantee a timely delivery with best finish. Our 4,000 square feet display center with all the window types installed helps you choose the best system and most relevant system. Our sales team takes you through all the available systems and assists you to choose the one which fulfills your needs and requirements. With our customer-centric philosophy, we have come a long way and we believe this approach will create a win-win situation for us and our valuable customers. We are Window Expert Fenestration Professionals.